What is the probability of getting an odd sum of the scores in a throw of 2 dice? So we have 4 options given here, and you have to notice that the question says the 2 dice are being thrown. So we have to first write down the sample space of throwing 2 dice together. So this is the sample space. You will see that it could be that both of the dice have the number 1. So we have 1, 1, then it could be 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the same continues in this direction also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you count them, you will have a total of 6 into 6 outputs, which will give 36 different outputs. Now the question asks you, what is the probability of getting an odd sum of the scores? So an odd sum will be if you add both of these numbers and you get an odd number. So let's see how many of these have an odd number. Let's look at this. 1 plus 1, this is not odd. It gives 2, which is even. This gives odd, this doesn't, this is odd, this doesn't, and this is odd. So in this row alone, we have 3 odd outcomes. Let's look at this row. This outcome is odd, this isn't, this is odd. So we have 3 again. We don't have to count for the rest of the rows. We can look at the pattern, and that is in each row there are 3 odd outcomes. So since there are 6 rows, we'll have a total of 3 into 6, which is 18 odd outcomes. So after this, the problem becomes really easy. We know that the total number of sample space or the total number of outcomes is 36, and out of that 18 are odd. So this can be simplified to give 1 by 2. Now if the question asks you for the probability of getting an even sum of the scores, the same can be done, because we know that 3 of the row are odd, so the remaining 3 should be even, and we can multiply it by 6 rows. We'll get 18 even outcomes, and the answer will be the same.